factorization?
No, ma'am. You can do it after data handling.
No, the thing is right that it is not there for anybody else's syllabus. So I want to do that with you separately only because factorization is only for you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So tell me, can we have extra classes with you?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, I'll see to it. All right. One second, children. I am downloading it. Children, just give me 1 minute. Wait. I don't know, but the application just stopped working. Please just give me a minute, okay? Okay. Now, children, please tell me, is the screen visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's move to the question. So in the last class, we discussed these questions like how to represent these three questions we discussed in the last class. Today, we will move ahead with circle graph or a pie chart. So children, how are we supposed to work with the pie chart now? So first of all, pie chart is basically whenever, for example, it's given the schedule of a child. Like 8 hours, the person is supposed to sleep, then 6 hours of school, 3 hours of playing, and then you have 3 hours of other activities, and finally 4 hours of homework. So all of this is being represented in the form of a pie chart. If you see, greater is the area of the chart, like that means greater number of that quantity also. Like here it is hours. So 8 hours is the greatest. So that denotes the sleep time is the maximum. That is why we give the largest area to the sleep time. And only 3 hours for playing and for all the other activities. So that is why the area is also very small. So that is how we will be working with them. Similarly, you have like 15 to 60-year-old is 50,000 people, age groups of the people in a town. For example, there is a town, and over there, 50,000 people belong to 15 to 60 years. The other 30,000 belongs to 0 to 14 years, while 20,000 of the population is belonging to 60 years and above. Right? So again, see, this is the 50% of the population. So half of the graph is given to that age. So now, how are you going to work with these graphs? Like here, the question says each of the following pie charts Find the fraction of the circle representing each of the following information. So how will you represent fraction? See, for girls, what is the fraction? What is the percentage? 50. And what is the total percentage? 100. So the fraction becomes 1 by 2. For boys also, 50 by 100, that becomes 1 by 2. Again, for walking, it becomes 40 by 100. For bus or a car, it becomes 40 by 100. For cycle also, it becomes 20 by 100. Right? Like over here, it is hate is 15%. How many of the students hate mathematics? So it's only 15% of the students. So you write 15 by 100. In fraction, if you have to convert, it becomes 15 by 100. And now the love percentage is not given to you only. So what you will do, 100% is the total percentage. So you find 100 minus 15. That gives you 85 percentage is for love. And now how will you calculate the fraction?
85 by 100.
85 by 100, right? So children, can you do these type of questions? Try the second and the third part. Quickly try second and the third part on your own, children. Students, just completed. By the time I'll try sharing it to the OneNote app only. Just give me a minute. Student, did you complete it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the answers.
Ma'am, can I give the answer for the second one?
Yes, tell me the answer for the second one.
Ma'am, for the second one, for the walk percentage, it is 40 by 100. And when I divide it, I get 2 by 5.
Fraction you had to write. You've converted that to decimal. That's not correct.
Ma'am, I told 2 by 5. Ma'am, for walking, ma'am,
Speak a little
it's 2
loudly,
by
Kumar.
5.
Kumar, what did you get for
Ma'am,
walking?
Ma'am, for walking, I divided 40 by 100. Then I got 2 by 5.
2 by 5. Okay, that's correct. I heard 2.5. Okay, then for bus or car, what did you get?
Ma'am, for bus and
2
car,
by
I
5.
did the same method and I again got 2 by 5 because the same percentage is working.
Yes, 40 by 100. So again, you will get 2 by 5. Okay, then what about
And
cycle?
ma'am, for cycle, I divided 20 by 100, then I got 1 by 5.
Very good. 1 by 5. So children, is everybody 2 by 5, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 only? Who your camera is off, put
Yes,
it on.
ma'am.
Now next is children, love and hate mathematics. This one I already solved. So 15 by 100, when you simplify, what do you get? What do you get when you simplify 15 by 100?
3 by
3
20.
by 20.
3
Ma'am,
by
3
20.
by
Very good.
20.
And when you simplify 85 by 100, what do you get?
Ma'am,
17 by 20.
17 by 20. Okay, Karen. So next question is children, answer the following questions based on the pie chart given. Which type of programs are viewed the most? Tell me. Look at the pie chart and answer the questions. Which
Ma'am,
of the programs
entertainment.
the most?
Entertainment.
Entertainment. So this is the first answer. Which two types of programs have numbers of viewers equal to those watching sports channel? So sports is 25%. On adding which two programs will you get the number that's equal to sports program?
15 and 10.
News and informative.
So news
And informative.
plus
News and information.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is children. Now this was basically analyzing the pie chart. Now we come to how are you going to draw the pie chart. So for example, you have chocolate is 50% and vanilla is 25% and other flavors is 25%. This is the information that is given. According to this information, now how will you draw the pie chart? So children, first of all, what we have to do it in a step-wise manner. See, this type of table you will be preparing. First of all, you write what is given, flavors was given, the percentage was given. Now you convert that percentage to fractions. So we just learned how will you convert percentage to fractions divided by 100. Now you multiply the fraction with 360. See, 1 by 2 into 360. 1 by 4 into 360. 1 by 4 into 360. And whatever answer you get, like here you got 180 degree, 90 degree and 90 degree. Whatever answer you get, children, that is the degree that you have to draw. So first of all, tell me, did you understand this much? What I did was, this is the question. Now I just converted this percentage to fraction. So I got 50 by 100 is 1 by 2, 25 by 100 is 1 by 4, 25 by 100 is 1 by 4. Now I found the fraction of 360. So 1 by 2 into 360 I did. So I got 180. 1 by 4 into 360 I did. I got 90. Then 1 by 4 into 360 I did. I got 90 again. Okay. So my answer is 180, 90 and 90. Children, first of all of you try to draw this much part. Okay, once you've done this much, then I'll teach you. Okay, do this much part, and also children, all of you must have your protractor and a compass with you. Okay, bring a protractor and a compass. Protractor, compass, and scales. Do this much, then grab all of those stuff, and then we'll move to drawing the part on the drawing stuff. Children, shall we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, everybody? Everybody has this table?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, you don't have to copy. Hermine, you don't have to look at everything and then you just copy the first two things and then
Yes,
do
ma'am.
the rest on your own now. I taught you how to do, right?
Yes.
Okay, children. Now, let's come to how are we going to draw the chart. So, children, you see, first of all, you will take your compass and you will draw a circle of any radius. I will suggest you take a circle of approximately 3 or 4 centimeter radius. Okay? Draw a circle of any radius. Everyone draw a circle.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, Mustafa.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so children, what we will do is now you draw. See, this is the center. Actually, this is not the center, but when you draw a circle with the help of a compass, you will automatically get a center, right? So now we join the center to the circumference and we get, let's suppose this is O. So let's call this any point as A. So you draw the radius also. Whatever center you're getting, just mark the circle as O, then draw a radius OA. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Now, children, you will take your protractor and align the protractor with OA line. The zero of the protractor should be on O and just align it in this way. See, your protractor should be lying like this. Like this, your protractor should be. Not exactly aligned to the measurement of the scale, but like the zero of the protractor should be aligned to zero of the circle, right? And then just keep it like this. Who are your camera is still off?
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, So 1 sorry, minute. I ma'am. will get my protractor and come back.
Quickly get your protractor.
Done, ma'am.
Let's wait for Harmeen Kumar. Let's wait for her. Duha, is there any issue? Your camera is off again.
Ah, yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, this, what is it called? Ma'am, on my cupboard, some stuff keeps on falling down. So I'm trying to pick it up.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am, I got it. I came back.
Okay. So now, children, what you will do is you align your protractor in this manner such that the zero of the protractor is at the top of the zero of the circle. Okay, and it is kept like this, like the purple figure you have, like that only it is kept. And now, children, you count like from A part. You see 0 degrees, then 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, like that. You have the degrees that are written on the protractor. So, children, you look where is 180 degree written. So 180 degree will get over here. So children, this part, and you draw a mark over here, and now you can remove the protractor and this half, just join this line. Just join this line. And this part becomes for chocolate. Why? Because that's equal to 180 degrees. Okay? That becomes equal to 180 degrees. Next part is now, children, vanilla. Now, how will you draw for vanilla? You have, now what happens, let's call this as B. Now you keep your protractor again in the same way. It should be aligned with OB. Okay? Now your protractor should be aligned with a new line, that is OB. So your protractor will be somewhat like this. The zero aligned with the zero. Always the zero of the protractor and zero of the center of the circle are aligned. So 0 and 0 aligned together. This is BO. Now your protractor is somewhat like this. Now count from B and count up till 90 degrees. And 90 degree you will get somewhat over here. And now join these lines. Just join these lines. And children, this is for vanilla now. And now the remaining part
Good, ma'am.
that becomes for other flavor. Okay. That's for other flavor, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood this one, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So all of you show me a figure, whatever you got.
Ma'am, can you see?
Okay, Hermene's is correct. Hermene, but your circle is very small. I told you at least take 3 or 4 centimeters. Kumar, you show.
Yes, ma'am. I brought
And
book of
Hermene, you never use a pen. How can you insert a pen on a compass? Use a pencil. Do I just bring it a little down? Okay, it's fine. Good. Okay, good, Kumar. Now, Mustafa. Mustafa is not there. Okay. Now, children, come to example number 1. You will try example number 1. Try the first and the second. Okay. Just try the first and the second part, children.
Ma'am, we have to solve like previous only.
No, no. It's just the figure is given to you. You look at the first question and the second question and try to mark the answers.
Ma'am, I didn't understood the second question.
Okay, 1 second. I'm explaining you. Please do the first one by the time. Yeah, children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
I just changed my device. 1 second. Children, your camera is off. Okay, children, please tell me, is my screen visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just 1 minute. Okay. I will just write that question once again and we will do it again. So the question was, you have this graph with you and this is the center. And now children, it says this is for house rent, this is for education, then this is for food, this is for clothes, this is for savings, then you have others like other expenditures, and this part is for transport. Okay, children, this is the expenditure of a person. Now, the percentage is given as follows. Like this is 15%, this is 25%, clothes is 10%, then savings is 15%, others is 20%, transport is 5%, and house rent is 10%. Now the question says, on which item the expenditure was maximum? Children, look very carefully and tell me which of the following do you think the expenditure was maximum?
Ma'am, food and food.
Tell me for which of the expenditure?
Ma'am, food.
The
Ma'am,
food part.
food.
Okay. So the answer for the first one becomes food. Why? On food it was maximum. Now the second one says expenditure on which item is equal to the total expenditure to the total savings of the family. Okay, so which two items is equal to savings of the family? So children, what is the savings first of all? Savings is 15%. Can you tell me on adding which two things are you getting savings?
Ma'am,
House.
transport and
Food
housing
and
for
house rent.
children and house rent and transport.
Yes, house rent
House
and
rent and transport. Transport. Ma'am,
house rent
also
and transport.
education for children.
No, education is alone only that's equal to savings. The question
Oh,
is
okay.
not which two things are equal. It's saying on adding which two things do you get equal to savings.
Okay, house rent and transport.
House rent and transport. So the first second one becomes house rent plus transport is savings. Right, children? Now, Kumar, did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next one says if the monthly savings of the family is rupees 3,000, What is the monthly expenditure on the clothes? Now, children, they have given you that savings in rupees is rupees 3,000. Okay. So now they are asking you find the amount of money that they are spending on food or clothes. Now you find how much are they spending on clothes. So children, what you will do over here is first of all you should know what is the total amount, right? I don't know the total amount, but I know the percentage of the savings and I know what is the savings. So I know 15% of the total is equals to savings. So that means 15. Let's assume the total income of the family is X rupees. Okay. So 15 by 100 into X is equals to savings. That's 3,000. Children, please tell me, did you understand this step?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. So it becomes, see, either you can cancel over here only, or I'll suggest you one better thing. Just transpose the entire thing. And how do you transpose? When anything is being divided, you multiply it on the other side. When anything is being multiplied, you divide it. Right? 15 into 2 times is 30 and then 2 zeros. So x is equals to 200 into 100 is 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 20,000 is the total income. Thus, total income is rupees 20,000. Now the question was not find the total income. The question was find the amount of money that they're spending on food. Okay, on clothes. So the amount of money spent on clothes equals to how much? How much percentage are they spending on clothes? 10%. So that's equal to 10% of the total income. So children, 10% means 10 by 100 into what is the total income? 20,000. Cancel 2 zeros with 2
Yes.
zeros. You get 2,000. So that means 2,000 rupees per month out of the total income they are spending on buying clothes. Right? I'll repeat the solution for you. Children, look very carefully. This pie chart is basically depicting uh, the the expenditure of a family. Okay, that how much is the family spending on education, how much on transport, how much on house rent, how much on clothes and savings, etc. The question says that whenever like one value is given to you, what value? Like for example, the amount of savings is given to you. Now you know the percentage of savings out of the total. You don't know the total income of the family, but you know that of the total income, 15% they are spending, they are basically saving. Okay, and now they have given you the total amount they are saving. What is the total amount? 3,000 rupees. So the formula is always percentage into total is equals to amount. Just remember this in your head. The percentage into the total thing will always give you the amount. Okay, the actual amount. So savings. What is the percentage of savings? What is the percentage?
15%.
15%. So 15% of total is equals to the savings amount. So 15 by 100 into total I don't know. So let's assume total is x is equals to 3,000. So x we calculated as 20,000. Can you please tell me, did you understand how I calculated the total income?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
All of you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone respond
Yes, ma'am.
please. Okay. Mustafa, your camera is not visible to me or video.
What, ma'am?
Mustafa, your video is not visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Your video is not visible to me, Mustafa. Are you understanding?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
just respond? Harleen, Kumar, and Mustafa.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So all of you are understanding. So now, children, you have to calculate the amount of money that the family is spending on clothes. So that's actually 10% of the money. So you will calculate 10% of the total income is the amount of money. So 10 by 100 into 20,000, that gives you 2,000. Right, children? So that is how we will do this question. Okay. So children, just start solving it. Solve the entire question. Draw the pie chart and solve it.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, children, completed. Okay, no problem, Mustafa, but please put on your mic at least and keep responding in the class that are you able to understand or not? And did you understand this part or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, so please copy it. So all of you have drawn the pie chart. So children, please copy the solution also quickly. And see, you just know the basic idea. So children, write the formula from the screen, but also always try to do the solutions on your own. Okay.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Completed. Okay, so shall I move to the next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so children, the next question is that on a particular day, the sales in rupees of different items of a baker's shops are given below. Okay, so ordinary bread, they are selling for 320 rupees. Fruit bread, they are selling for 80 rupees. Cakes and pastries, they are selling for 160 rupees. Biscuits, they are selling for 120. Other items of the bakery, they are selling for 40 rupees. And the total amount is 720. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to draw a pie chart based on this. See children, just remember one thing. To draw a pie chart, I need the degrees of everything. Right? That is my main concern, to draw a pie chart. So how can I draw a pie chart now? I will have to find the degree. Right? Like how much degree should I take for bread, how much for fruit bread, how much for cakes and pastries, etc. So I will draw the chart like this. Like you can take item in the first column, write the item, write the amount of the item, write the percentage, or wait, write the fraction, and here you write the degree. Okay.
Mom, can you scroll a little front?
1 second. Yes. To which one?
Yeah, Mom.
I'll give you time to copy children, and I'm making the column anyway, right? So
No, Mom,
see.
I want to answer, so I want to know the numbers.
Okay. The bread is 320. Wait. You have bread. Children, keep drawing with me. Bread. Then you have cakes and pastries. Then you have biscuits. Then you have other items. So children, amount is 320, 80, 160, 120, 40. Yeah. So now how will you find the fraction? Will anybody tell me how will you find the fraction?
Ma'am,
Mom,
we
320
have
by
to divide
100
the
will be
amount by 100.
360.
One by one you tell me. Who wants to answer first? Raise your
Mom,
hands.
first we do.
Wait, you will raise your hands. Then I'll answer. Okay, yes, do.
Mom, first we divide 320 by 100 and then we multiply it with 360.
Okay. And Kumar, what is your answer?
Mom, we need to take out the sum of everything. Then we need to divide 320 by 720.
Very good. That is correct. See, you don't divide it by 100. Do have when fraction is given to you, then you will divide by 100. So the fraction is not given. Here
Ma'am,
the amount is only given. When fraction is given,
and we have
then you will divide by 100. So when
to
amount is
find the
given, listen now children. So you will do 320 divided by 720, because 720 is the total. See, 720 is the total. 720 is the total. Divide 320 by 720. That's the fraction. Here do 80 by 720, 160 by 720, 120 by 720. Just draw it in a neat way, children. 40 by 7. Okay. So here, let's just try it. 32 by 72. 8 by 72 is 1 by 9. 2 by 9, 1 by 4, no, 1 by 6, 4 by 7. Okay, 32 and 32 also we will simplify only way to get 8 into 9 times 8 into 4. Okay, now children, this is the simplified fraction that I've written. And children, you will not just write the simplified fraction, you will write the fraction first and then write equals to, then write the simplification. Do it as I have done. Now, how will you write the degree? The degree becomes 4 by 9 into 360. 1 by 9 into 360. 2 by 9 into 360. 1 by 6 into 360. 4 by 7 into 360. Okay. So answer is 9 into 4 times 160. 9 into 4 times 40 degrees. 9 into 4 times 80 degrees. 6 into 6 times 60 degrees. Wait, this was 720. Mistakenly I have written this. 4 by 72. We can cancel this, right? 0 and 0 cancel. 1 by 18. So 18 into 20 times. So 20. So then this is your chart. This is the table that you must be getting. And remember one thing very carefully. When percentage is given, to find the fraction you divide by 100. But when the amount is given, so to find the fraction you will divide by the total amount, like on adding everything what you get. Okay, children? Did you understand this difference?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay. So everyone just draw this table and tell me if you got any doubts or are you able to do it.
done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, children? Everybody got this table? Please tell me, then only I'll scroll down. Shall I scroll?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. Now, children, what you will do is to draw the pie chart. I'll again explain you. Everyone will look very carefully because then after explaining you, I'll be giving this part as your homework. Children, you get a circle. First of all, you will draw a circle. You don't have a circle. Draw the center. Draw radius. OA. Okay. Now, children, which is the first one? You get 160 degrees. So you keep the 0 over here, align it in with OA, and now 160 will be something over here. So mark this point. This will be your point. So this is for the first part. Then you have to draw 40 degrees. So now children, align your protractor with OB. Now do not align with OA. Do not do this mistake. Now you will align with OB. And now after aligning it with OB, just draw 40 degrees. Even this is more. 40 degrees is, you just get this much. Just get this much. That's become C. And now you take your base as OC, draw 80 degree. Then you further take your base as OD, 60 degree. Then take as OE, 20 degree. Like that. So tell me, can you draw the pie chart on your own now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
Yeah. So children, now your homework will be to draw the pie chart of this particular question, right? And please now tell me if you've got any doubts.
no, ma'am.
No doubts?
No, ma'am.
Children, just tell me one more thing
no, ma'am.
before we leave the class, that like Mustafa has to do factorization now, right, Mustafa? Does anybody else wants to do factorization with Mustafa, or is it just Mustafa?
Ma'am, I also do.
Kumar also wants to do factorization. Harmeen and Duha, for you factorization is not coming in exams.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, and now children, is there any other child who wants to do any other particular lesson?
Mom, in my school, we are doing linear equations, but when we start comparing quantities in practical geometry, that time we can take classes. Because like right now I'm doing linear
We have
equations,
missed that,
so
exactly.
doing other chapters.
Yeah, Duha. We have missed that. Comparing quantities. Okay. So now, anybody else wants to do comparing quantities?
Mm, no, ma'am. Maybe further I will do some other chapters because right now data handling is going on.
Okay, fine. So now, for Duha and Mustafa, I'll have to arrange for different classes because now we have very specific chapters for them, which is not coming for anyone else. Okay, so children, I'll ask the team to arrange for separate classes for you all, and then we'll be completing those chapters in that class. Okay, children?
Ma'am,
Yes, Kumar.
Okay, mom.
ma'am, ma'am, for the factorization chapter, it is not coming in my syllabus, but still I'm doing. Is it okay?
No, Kumar, then please don't do it. Why? Because right now, since your exams are around the corner, just focus on what is coming in your exams. Okay? Factorization, if it is not there in your syllabus, please don't do it. Right?